out with win in Manila Classico nonetheless. How does this moment feel for you personally?
It feels, actually, first of all, I'd like to thank the Lord for giving me strength to go through this grabbing day. No? It was really hard. First of all, emotionally, I have to battle and I have to really challenge my mind. It's not about me and Coach Tim, it's about the players of Magnolia, the players against me. I just want to thank the players and also the coaching staff. I really want to give them credit in this game because they really guided me, the coaching staff. Kasi alam nila mahirap, especially in this kind of atmosphere. Today is 50th anniversary of the PBA. And for the players, they really, they were really ready going to this game. I really appreciate their effort, their fight, going into this game, their focus going into this game. I guess they really wanted to get this first win sa akin, no? So I really appreciate my players and I hope that this will be the start of a good journey for that. Again, it's not about me, it's for the players, it's for the Magnolia team. People are really looking at me as kung ako lang yung tinitingnan dito, but they have to see that on the bigger picture, it's really the team of Magnolia. I'm just here to guide them. At the end of the day, sabi ko sa mga players, it's them versus the five of Ginebra inside the floor. It's not me against Coach Tim because we can only do so much. We can just give instructions, the timeout, kung maingay, panganak kami na rin. So, bottom line is the players right now. So, because feel great, feel good about this win, but again, we did not achieve anything. It's just, again, tulad nga sinabi mo sa mga players, we win this game, it's just one win in the standing, and if we lose, it's one loss in the standing. So it's really, it's just a normal game for us that we have to get better and stay disciplined because we're looking at, the bigger picture here. So, but of course, tanggapin ko ito manalo na to, why not? Right, so, yeah.
Coach, we all know the history you have with Ginebra, and likewise, the history Ginebra has for you. What would you say was the edge that made a difference leading up to this matchup and ultimately getting the win today?
Well, I guess the system of Ginebra is pretty much the same when I was there, so with under Coach Tim. So I think going into this game, I don't think we have an advantage. Kasi in the end of the day, it's Coach Tim pa rin. He will find way to get this win, to get this first victory with the Ginebra team. But I guess nagplano lang ako na sa tingin ko na may chance kami to get this win. We have a game plan. Ang hirap naman kasi isa-isahin ng mga ginagawa na yun kasi madami at kulang oras. But yung mga important keys lang nila talagang diniscuss ko sa team. And I guess the advantage is I know the basic of what you're running. So yun, nagawa lang ako ng plano to counter that. Because Ginebra is really good at executing their offense. Kilala Ginebra sa ganyan, especially team coach team. And we were ready also sa defense na ibibigay nila sa amin. So we practice our offense also to execute our offense because Ginebra is a defensive team also.
Thank you so much, Coach. We will now open the floor for our friends from the media.
Okay, congratulations.
Hi.
Coach, ngayon natawag mo lang yung first game mo sa Magnolia Coach. Nakikita naman natin, do you think nakaroon ng comfortability moving forward?
honestly, hindi pa rin. Kala ko nga kanina, may isang quarter pa eh. Totoo lang, kala ko may isang quarter pa. Hindi pala tapos na. But, I cannot be complacent just because we got this game. Again, katulad nga na sinabi ko kanina, we got this win, we got to get out of this victory out of our chest. But this is just the start of our journey. This is just the start ng journey to sa Magnolia, so I cannot be complacent. Sinasabi ko sa mga players na we have to get better every day, we have to be disciplined, we have to be focused on the things that we need to do, and let's not worry about the other team, na kung anong gagawin nila sa atin. Basta importante yung gusto natin gawin dito sa team. Remember, may pinag-ahanda kami mas malaki. May pinag-ahanda kami mas malaki. So, ganun din ako as a coach. I want to learn every day, I want to get better, I want to, as much as possible, stay disciplined, maturo ko o mapagawa ko sa lahat ng mga players ko, lahat ng mga gusto ko gawin para sa team. So, yun. I cannot be comfortable and I cannot, siguro makahinga lang ako bukas, saka sa Tuesday, yung break namin. But we have to prepare again for our back-to-back games next week.
Hindi din tumagal na yung defensive mindset kami propose dito. Tungkol sa nandun pa rin yung defensive mindset, finance din yung ginawa for the defensive side.
Yun ang parati kong pinipulit sa team namin. I came from a team that is really defensive mindset. I came from my coach, lahat ng mga success ko as a player. Ang key talaga for winning and getting all the championships is playing defense. So talagang yun ang pinipreach ko sa kanila. We have to play defense if we want to get to the next level. Remember, I don't want to go back, diba? Ayokong bumalik, but this team is one possession away. Diba? Remember last conference, they were one possession away for getting to the next level. Diba? So we just have to get through that props by getting and playing good defense all the time. Yun lang yung pinipin sa akin.
Anong naging conversation yun ni Coach Kim Umeron?
Honestly, so far, wala pa kaming conversation talaga na face-to-face kasi we didn't have any time. Wala pa kaming time talaga ito kasi dire-diretso, daming nangyari, diba? Me coaching Gilas, and then him coaching Gilas also. And then, wala pa akong chance. I talked to the players. I said my goodbye, I said my peace to the players, but with Coach Tim, hindi ko pa nakausap talaga ng face-to-face. So, hopefully, in this next few days, makausap ko siya. Now na naglaban na kami, tapos na. Baka pwede kong makuha yung voting sa isip niya sa coaching. So, I'm sure he was getting ready also to this game, kaya hindi ko rin siya in-score ko. Siguro after this, pwede na magtanong sa kanya.
Coach, kung nag-viewing ba kayo ng scouting for this game? Yung bang binibili na doon pa sa tape na tapin na?
Well, iniwasan ko. Baka kasi sabihin nila hindi naman tama yung ginagawa ko. So, yung mga previous games, especially mga tune-up games, napanood din naman natin.
All right, that concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations.
Thank you.